All right, this is CNN News 18 exclusive, and sources have told CNN News 18 that India has expressed concerns over the arrest of Hindu leader in Bangladesh amid rising violence against minority communities. Now, sources also said that Chinmoy Krishna Das Brahmachari detention has happened without any reason, and this is worrisome. I'm joined by my colleague Akansha Swaroop. Akansha, without any reason, the detention has happened. What are you picking up from the MEA? Has there been any official dialogue that has been exchanged between Bangladesh and India surrounding how the cases of such, attack on Hindus have been happening?
Right. Sherin, what we are learning is that the government of India is very worried at the moment. We also know the kind of voices that are now coming from within the establishment. We've seen how BJP MPs, Kanto Majumdar and even Suvendu Adhikari have been urging External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar to take action against this move, which is extremely worrisome because remember, the Bangladeshi authorities have not issued any official statement with regard to this arrest or even made it clear whether it's an arrest or a detention. Now, reports are also suggesting that Chinmoy Das was detained at the Dhaka airport and he was also taken over to Detective Rutt in Dhaka after he was arrested there at the airport. And it also comes after a sedition case that was filed against Chinmoy Prabhudas this month, allegedly for his outspoken stance against violence, targeting the Hindus. And we've also seen how video has been viral on social media because he had talked about his fears, about how he was anticipating that he's going to be arrested simply because he had fighting for the rights of the Hindu minorities. And the entire movement over there, which is a certain movement they are all running, and Chinmoy Das happens to be an integral part of it. They've been asking for rights of the minority to be protected and for a minority affairs ministry to be appointed. Remember, there's an interim government has been formed under Dr. Muhammad Yunus. There's been nothing done as far as minority rights are concerned. Now, important to also highlight that we are learning from our sources that this arrest has happened also because of the influence of BNP leaders like Tariq Zia and Khalida Zia, which are behind, reports have been indicating that they are also working very closely with the militant organization Bangladesh Jamaat-e-Islami, which has been also orchestrating all those attacks against Hindu minorities over there in Bangladesh. And soon after, you've already announced how his arrest has come amid heightened tensions in Bangladesh over the rising reports of violence against Hindus. We've seen how protests have broken out in various parts of Bangladesh, primarily Dhaka and Chittagong, where Hindus have been protesting against the arrest of Chinmoy Das. He's been an outspoken Sanatan leader who's been talking and waging for the rights of the Hindus. ISKCON spokespersons also taken to X. They've been urging the Indian government to intervene. Expect this to be taken up at and through official diplomatic channels anytime soon.
All right. Thank you, Akansha, for getting us all those details as far as this entire story is concerned. And of course, it is a worrisome situation. And like Akansha mentioned, that there is going to be, of course, response from the Indian side as far as the entire situation is concerned. Now, moving on to how the spiritual